Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. I did a total of 2 transactions, but I'm only going to show 1 transaction in this video. These deals started today, which is July 11th, and they are good up until Saturday, July 17th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I want to mention is that you can get 2 free 5x7 photos at Walgreens this week. If you want to get these, the code is 2 free 5x7. So just pick out your 2 photos that you want to get, type in that code, and they will come up free for you. So I went and picked up mine today. So just in case you guys didn't know about that, I wanted to go ahead and let you know about that. And so now we are going to go ahead and start with everything I got here. So as you guys can see, I got some Colgate toothpaste, some Oral-B toothbrushes, some Gain laundry products, and some cereal back there. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is going to be the Colgate. So this is the Colgate Total Whitening Toothpaste. I went ahead and I purchased 2 of these. They are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to go ahead and purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $3.98. And because you purchased 2, you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash. So with receiving back that $4 in Walgreens cash, it makes these completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I also grabbed 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. I have 2 here and 1 here. I grabbed 3 total, and they are priced this week at Walgreens for $3. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to go ahead and purchase 3 at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $9. We do have a $4 off of 2, I think. 4 off of 2 or 4 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. I will insert a picture. So with using that $4 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $5. And when you buy 3, you're going to receive a $5 registry reward, which I did receive my $5 registry reward right here. With receiving that $5 registry reward, it made all 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes completely free. So that's a super nice and easy deal to do. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the packages of Gain flings, and then I also grabbed a Gain laundry detergent. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So I went ahead and I purchased 3. So $4.99 times 3 is $14.97. I used a total of 3 coupons. So there is a $2 digital coupon for the Gain liquid that you can use. There is a $2 digital coupon for the Gain flings that you can use. And then you can also go to the PG Good Everyday website and print off a $2 printable coupon for the Gain flings. They don't have a printable one for the liquid, but they do have it for the flings. So that's a total of $6 in coupons that I used, 2 digital and 1 paper. So $14.97 minus the $6 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $8.97. And then when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. I did receive my $5 registry reward right here. So $8.97 minus this $5 registry reward brought my total down to just $3.97 for all 3 products, or it makes each product just $1.32, which is a really great price for some Gain laundry detergent. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 5 boxes of the Kellogg's Fruit Loop cereal. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $1.88. So I went ahead and I purchased 5. So $1.88 times 5 is $9.40. We do have a $3 off of 5 digital Kellogg's coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9.40 minus the $3 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $6.40. But not only that, if you check your IBOTTA account, IBOTTA does have a rebate, at least on my account, for 60 cents. Now, everyone's IBOTTA account is different, so you may have a higher value digital rebate, or you may have a lower lower rebate. So mine, I had 60 cents. The limit was 5. So I did get 60 cents back times 5. So 60 times 5 is $3. So $6.40 minus the $3 that I got back from IBOTTA brought my total down to just $3.40 for all 5 boxes of cereal, or it makes each box just 68 cents, which is a fantastic and a great stock up price. So I'm actually going to go and do this cereal again, because I have a few more 60-cent rebates, I think, with the Kellogg's and some more variety of cereal. So I'm most definitely going to take advantage of this a little bit more. So this is everything that I got in my first transaction. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt really quick. So as you can see, all 3 of my Oral-B toothbrushes rung up at $3. My Colgate, both of those rung up at $3.99, so $7.98. Gain Liquid at $4.99. Both of my Gain Flings at $4.99, so $9.98. All 5 of my Kellogg's cereal at $1.88, so $9.40. Now, the only issue that I had with this transaction is that one of my digitals didn't come off. I'm not sure if it's for the Gain Liquid or the Gain Flings. I haven't checked my account yet. But I am going to contact customer service, and I know that they're going to credit my account with the $2 in Walgreens cash. So the Gain Flings, that's the paper coupon that I had. And the $4 digital for the Oral-B, $4 digital for the Colgate, $3 digital for the Kellogg's, and my $3 digital for the Gain Flings, my $2 digital for the Gain Flings. So I think the $2 digital for the Gain Liquid didn't come off. So it brought my subtotal to $26.35. Should have been $24.35. I did go ahead and use $20 in Walgreens cash, so I did pay the $6.35 out of pocket. I got back $4.21. That $4 came from me purchasing 2 of the Colgate, and then I got back my $5 registry reward for purchasing the 3 Gain, my $5 registry reward for purchasing 3 of the Oral-B. And I got back my $3 from IBOTTA for purchasing 5 boxes of the Fruit Loop cereal, along with the $2 that I'm going to get back from customer service for my $2 digital coupon not coming off. So all in all, you guys, this was a really, really great transaction for me. I am happy with how everything turned out. I also had a digital booster get $6 in Walgreens cash when you spend $22. I was actually $1 off on this transaction, so therefore I could not get the $6 back because I was literally $1 off. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I haven't submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards yet, but I am going to do so once I'm done recording this video. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Same thing with IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So make sure you check your accounts to see if you have any of the cereal rebates, and you can take advantage of those. And last but not least, don't forget to submit your receipts to the PG Good Everyday website so that you can get some points for your P&G products if you plan to do this deal. And one more thing, you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, please give me a follow over there. I said this in my 2 previous Walgreens videos. I am on my way to 500 followers, and I'm super excited about that. So if you are not following me on Instagram, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, so that you guys can go ahead and give me a follow over there. Once I reach 500 followers over there, I'm thinking about doing a small giveaway. I don't know for sure yet, but I'm thinking about it. So one more time, you guys, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and let me know what you guys are getting this week at Walgreens. And with that being said, I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.